Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing BTS's third Muster ARMY.ZIP Plus, and this is their fan meeting DVD. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Here is the front of the box, really cute, and you have a really cute picture of the boys here. You have the back, and then these are the contents on each disc. And then you have the side here. So let's open it up. So the box is empty now. And here is what is inside. So first off, you get this postcard. And I'm not going to take it out of the plastic, but you have that. Then you have this little booklet. So this is the House of ARMY story making booklet. Let's go through that. I'll take this off to the side first. So this is the behind the scenes of that little skit that they did. Then you have this, so open it up. This has the photo book and also the DVDs. So let me go through it first. So here's the first disc. Then you have the back over there. And open up, and then here are the rest of the disc. Here is the second disc. And then you have the third one. So yeah, that was the DVD case of it. And lastly, you have the photo book that comes with it. So BTS third muster in November 12th to 13th, 2016. Go check SKIT. So cute. You have the first unit, Monster and Jungkook. Then the second unit, Suga and Jimin. Then you have the third group, J-Hope, V, and Jin. Jimin looks so small here. So if you didn't know, I've actually filmed all the unboxings of the albums I owned. So I don't really have any new unboxings to show. So I thought I'll go through some of my older things I have. And I have a lot of BTS like DVDs and other things from them. So I thought it would be fun to go through them all with you. So hope you guys would enjoy that until I get some new albums. Yep, off the stage. Rehearsal. They look so young here. Then you have the credits. And here are Blood, Sweat, and Tear. Or Blood, Sweat, Tears, and Sweat Army. Special thanks too. Oh, really sweet. So let me put everything back together and I'll show you guys the photo card that I got in this DVD. So other than this postcard that you get with the DVD, you also get a random photo card. And the photo card that I got was Suga's. So I got his. And the backs, if you have all 7 members, the back actually forms a picture, which is really neat. But yeah, I have his. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing on BTS's third Muster ARMY.ZIP Plus DVD unboxing. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video then. Bye.